Welcome to this module on penology and correctional administration. And the topic discussion for this series is the Prison Reform Committees and Commission Part 1. Now let us quickly move on to the topic. The contemporary prison administration is a legacy of the British rule, and here you can see the timeline of the various committees constituted at the earlier stage for the prison reformation. And notably, the members of this prison reformation committee are all British personnel. And in this video, we will be dealing with the first committee on the Prison Reformation Commission. One of the earliest and the first committee for the prison reformation was appointed by Lord William Bentinck on January 2, 1836 to study the conditions of the discipline in Indian prison. Lord Macaulay also recommended that a committee should be appointed to suggest measures to improve discipline in prison. This committee is known as the Prison Discipline Committee, which submitted its report in 1838 to Lord Auckland, the then Governor General. Lord Macaulay served as a member of the Prison Discipline Committee, who later became the author of the Indian Penal Code, which provides for imprisonment as the most commonly used instrument of treatment. While presenting a note to the Legislative Council in India on December 21, 1835, he pointed out for the first time about the terrible conditions that prevail in Indian prison. He also vehemently subscribed to the idea that the best criminal code can be of very little use to our community unless there be a good machinery on the infliction of punishment. The Prison Discipline Committee observed certain things about the prevailing condition which has to be improved. They observed that extremely poor sanitary conditions were prevailing in prisons. Death rate in prison from contagious diseases was also high. About 141 out of every 1000 prisoners died in prisons. Overcrowded prison population was also included in the report. And probably they identified the reasons for high mortality rate inside the prisons with focused hygienic conditions which can act as a remedy for the improvement of the sanitary condition. And the committee also noted some other irregularities like great disapprobation, rampant corruption in the subordinate establishment, laxity of discipline, and the system of employing prisoners on extramural labor on roads. Presumably, under the reaction from the abuses they observed, they also suggested increased rigors of treatment, building of spacious central prisons with improved sanitary conditions, healthy diet, and better medical care, stringent discipline of the prisoners. They also rejected all notions of reforming criminals through moral and religious teaching education or any other system of rewards for good conduct. And as a result, several central prisons were built after the recommendation of the committee, and the first central prison was built in Agra in 1846. And that's it with me today. Thank you for listening right till the end. If you really like this video, hit the like button.